Welcome to Paper Shades. In your pack you have 2 wheels, one large, one small, and 5 panels of Paper Shades translucent paper. Firstly, give them a good bend so they're flexed and ready to be fitted into the grips. Take 2 panels with the artwork side together and slot them into one of the grips on the smaller wheel. Repeat this with all 5 panels until they have all been fitted into the wheel. Turn it over. It looks a bit like a crown. Then slot the panels into the larger wheel. A Paper Shades lampshade will fit any average lampstand or light fitting. Place the hole in the wheel over the fitting and fix it securely with the attachment. Then add the bulb. If you find it tricky putting your hand through one of the Paper Shades panels, simply open up the top by removing the wheel, screw in the bulb, and then reattach the wheel. Enjoy your Paper Shades lampshade!